Good morning, friends. Welcome to all of you. I am Satish Jaivan from Department of Commerce and Research Center, Sri Shuchatrapati College, Junnar. Today, we will discuss on the introduction of management and the functions of management. Nowadays, the management concept has become important in the 21st century. Management is a wide concept that covers not only handling tools human beings but also the various kind of situation in any business. Resources can be proved to be efficient and productive only if they are handled and used in the right way. Management is that science which is the guide transformation of such valuable resources in utility. Here are few important definition of management. Herald and Kuntas, the management thinker, said that management is art getting things done through and with people in formally organized group. It is the art of creating environment in which people can perform as individual and yet cooperate towards the attainment group goals. It is the art of removing blocks to such performance, a way of efficiency in reaching goals. Another management thinker says that is Theo Henman. Management is the sum of the total processes include planning, directing, control, and organization. Nature and characteristics of management. Management is a goal oriented process. Management is intangible. It is a purposeful activity. Management is a dynamic process. Management is a continuous process. It applies the economic principle. It involves the decision making. Management is an integrated process. Management is interdisciplinary. Management is both science as well as art. Classification of management functions. The functions of management are classified in two categories: managerial functions and operative functions. Management functions includes the managerial functions and operational functions. Managerial functions include planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Operational functions includes the production, marketing, purchasing, financing, and personnel. Classification of management function as follows. According to the Luther Glick gave the key words: P stand for planning, O stand for organizing, D stand for directing, S stand for staffing, R stand for reporting, B stand for budgeting. Management is a process. It includes the staffing, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Some of the managerial function and sub-functions are as follows. Planning involves the forecasting, decision making, strategy formulation, policy making, programming, scheduling, budgeting, and problem solving, innovation and investigation and research. Organizing involves the functionalization, divisionalization, departments, decentralization, activity, analysis, task, span of management, task allocation. Staffing involves manpower, planning, recruitment, selection, training, placement, compensation, promotion, appraisal. Directing involves supervision, motivation, communication, and leadership. Controlling, that involves fixation of standard, recording, measurement, reporting, and corrective actions. uh, we will discuss on planning. Planning is deciding in advance what is to be done in the future. According to the Herald and Kuntas and Odinol, define Planning is deciding in advance what is to do, how to do, when to do, and who is to do. Planning bridges the gap from where we are to where we want to go. It make it possible for things to occur which not otherwise happens. Features of planning. Planning seek to achieve the certain objectives. Planning is oriented goal oriented towards the future. Planning is a mental exercise. Planning involves the choice of alternative. Planning is the basic of all other functions. It is a continuous function. It Planning is directed towards the efficiency. Steps involved in the plannings: collection of information about the past, defining objectives, developing planning premises, discovering alternative source of action, evaluating alternatives, choosing the best alternatives, defining subsidiary plans, periodic revision and review of plans.